Hi, hello, namaste. The most awaited moment is finally here. Welcome to Coffee and Convo, where conversations get alive. Hello, people. I'm Anisa.
And I'm Vidya. Let the talks begin.
Coffee and Convo, where the conversations get alive.
So, guys, we know that you people are too confused about all this, but stay calm and join this journey of conversations. So, Coffee and Convo is basically your space and mata, where you experience your happiness and you discover your peace.
Exactly. This is the platform for you to express and present yourself in the coolest way you are. So, our idea is to bridge and connect people to share thoughts by giving them a perfect experience. Yeah, so our first guest Sindhu is here. So, she is from Hyderabad and she is doing. Oh, wait. I guess it will be more fun if we hear it from her. Hey Sindhu, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hey folks, I've been waiting for so long to talk to you all. I am Sindhuja. I am from Vishakhapatnam and I live in Hyderabad. So you can call me a classy woman, like a graduation final year student. Exactly like you all people, I study on the day of the exam. I'm quite lively, I'm optimistic, cheerful, and I'm here to cheer you all. And I'm a thorough bibliophile. I love reading books and having conversations. So that's the reason I'm here with you for coffee and conversation.
That was an amazing introduction, Sindhu. So, Sindhu, being an extrovert is a superpower. Guess you completely agree with it, right?
Yes, I absolutely agree with it. Being an extrovert is quite fun.
So, how has this superpower benefited you?
Well, being an extrovert is quite very fun. I like talking to people much. Like most probably all extroverts are chatterboxes and they tend to have more number of friends. So parallelly, even I have so many friends, a big gang, like small different gangs. Like extroverts fit in all types of friend groups. Like you can just cheer up a group of people who are quiet, and you can also stay energetic in between a group of extrovert friends.
That's great to hear, Sindhu. సో ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్ అంటే ఒక లైఫ్ లాంగ్ మ్యాడ్నెస్ అవునంటారా కాదంటారా?
అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువే.
ఈ కథనం మీద మీ అభిప్రాయం ఏంటి? అండ్ ప్లీజ్ నిల్దీస్ఫై దట్ పర్సన్ అండి.
Well, I just can't mention one person because I have so many friends and all of them are equally loved to me.
Okay, chill.
ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ అంటే నాకు వెంటనే స్ట్రైక్ అయ్యే వర్డ్ మెమరీస్. సో వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ బెస్ట్ మెమరీ ఆర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ దట్ యూ చెరిష్?
I might not define a memory like the best because there are so many memories which make me smile every day. So let me share any one of it. Like during my intermediate days, after the college is done, it was my friend's birthday. Me and the birthday guy and another guy, all three of us went into a cafe. We ate full stomach full food, like a lot of food. We didn't pay the bill. We just escaped and we were like walking fast on the road. I didn't even notice that the person didn't pay the bill. He was like, Sindhu, walk faster, walk faster. I was like, why? What happened? Like after a few minutes, we started our bikes and then he told me that I didn't pay the bill. Trust me, I was laughing that day for around 20 to 30 minutes on road. After that, I went on a bike ride with him. That is one of the best memories of my life and one of the best bike rides I've ever gone.
Oh my god, bill eggante sara, that was crazy asalu.
సింధు, ఐ పర్సనలీ బిలీవ్ దట్ మనందరిలో సమ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అండ్ యూనిక్ ట్రైట్ ఉంటుంది. లైక్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ హ్యాస్ ఎ హిడెన్ ఎక్స్ ఫ్యాక్టర్. వెల్, నాట్ దట్ ఎక్స్, that special talent or quality thing anamata. So keep it a secret. My X factor is doing nothing but still feeling so tired.
వావ్, జాతరత్నాలు మీరు.
Okay, never mind. Okay, so Sindhu, seriously, what's your X factor?
My X factor is that I am non judgmental, and what makes me unique is I can convince anyone to smile when they are low, irrespective of who the other person is, whether I know them or not, and if they tend to have stress or they might be sad or something else for some or the other reason. If I am sure that if they spend few minutes with me, they'll definitely smile. So this is my X factor.
దాట్ వాజ్ రియలీ గ్రేట్. మనం ఇందాకే బెస్ట్ మెమరీ గురించి మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. సో కమింగ్ టు ద బ్యాడ్ ఫేజెస్, దెర్ ఈస్ నో రెయిన్బో వితౌట్ ఎ లిటిల్ రెయిన్ అంటారు కదా. హైస్ అండ్ లోస్ ఆర్ కామన్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ వన్స్ లైఫ్. సో వాట్స్ యువర్ ట్రామాటిక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అండ్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ రిగ్రెట్?
If you were to say I never did anything stupid when I was young, I would definitely tell you that you are lying. So everybody knows that everybody does stupid things when they are kids, and even after becoming adults also they do things that are very stupid, but at a higher level. That's a different issue. Well, my biggest regret is not being involved in extracurricular activities, and one of the thing is I didn't learn Carnatic music. Everybody used to tell me that I have a good voice, and I used to sing songs. I thought of learning it, but then I was quite lazy. So this is one of the regret I have, that I didn't learn music when I was young. But then now I stop regretting about it, and I sing songs at the top of my voice even if everybody is there in the home, and I enjoy music right now.
ఇప్పుడేమైంది? ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది కదా.
Okay, advisors are ultimate. Every advice conceals a lesson, they say, అని అంటూ ఉంటారు. So do advices really work? And what would be the best advice you would give to someone, or what would be the best advice you believe in?
Yes, advisors do really work if the person has a good impact on you.
All the 21 years of my life, I didn't have any sense in the first 10 years. So from the time I gained consciousness, to be particular, from my 8th standard onwards, what I learned was nobody will remember how you used to look, how you used to study, how you used to play, how you used to sing or dance or anything. Nobody will remember your talents except for the smile that you give them whenever you meet people is what they remember. How you treat them is actually what people remember about you. So what I learned was, irrespective of what position you are in, take your time, get back to normal, and smile at other people so that positivity stays around you. You can never imagine how good it impacts on others' lives. They might be so stressed that they would get cooled just with your smile. Nobody will remember what you used to drink, what you used to eat, what your habits were. They will just remember how you treated them when you are with them.
That was an amazing advice, Sindhu. Now, this is my favorite part of the interview. The one and only evergreen rapid fire. I bet Vidyaki kuda idi chala favorite.
And I am very excited to answer this.
Obvious. And I bet founder of this page, Yash Rajit kuda, this is the favorite part ayi untundi.
Yeah, how could I forget? He named this rapid fire round as Kurkur Convo. ఎందుకు అని చెప్పి అడగొద్దు. Some sort of craze for kurkure ante. Well, okay, now answer as fast as you can.
Okay.
I'll take up a few questions and Vidya will continue. Okay na? All clear kada?
Definitely. Here.
Chalo, let's have fun. So, Mention any 3 words that doesn't describe you.
Okay. Judgmental,
Fast.
judgmental, gossiping, bitching.
Well, that was a great answer. నీ లైఫ్ మీద ఒక మూవీ తీస్తే టైటిల్ ఏముండాలి?
నా సౌండ్ వస్తా నీకెందుకు?
Okay, moving to the next question. First thing that you notice when you meet someone.
ఐస్.
ఓకే, ఐస్. లైక్ చాలామంది చెప్తారు కళల్లో ఫెయిత్ ఉంటుంది, ట్రూత్ఫుల్నెస్ ఉంటుంది, ప్రేమ కనిపిస్తుంది అని చెప్పి. వీళ్ళు ఏం చూస్తా వయసులో అని నాకైతే ఇలాంటివి ఏం కనిపించవు.
No, it's like when you meet someone, no, the first thing that you notice is their face and the eyes and the smile, the expression, the emotion which they put up when they meet you is something that's very memorable. అది చాలా మెమరబుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. See, the most loved people దగ్గర నువ్వు ఎన్నిసార్లు కలిసినా ప్రతిసారి you will remember the emotion when you see them the first time for the day.
ఓకే, స్పెషల్ మెసేజ్ టు ఎనీ ఫ్రెండ్.
Let's meet. Nitin. We just live 4 kilometers apart. We have to meet. You have to meet me. And you're really special in my life and I miss you so much.
నితిన్ గారు పాపమండి, కలవండి.
ఓకే, డెడికేట్ ఏ సాంగ్ టు యువర్ సెల్ఫ్.
There's this song by Maggie, Pretty Girl. It goes like, and I'm not just a pretty girl.
Nice. What's the first thing on your bucket list?
First thing on the bucket list to buy a Royal Enfield for myself. Only for myself.
Wow. That's a very great.
Yeah, that
thing on
will
the
be a
bucket list.
single seater.
Actually, that's similar between you and me.
That's a single seater bike. So, hey, come on, bro. Cheers. Let's buy it soon.
Yo.
Okay. If one time crime discount was given, what would you do?
What is given? Sorry, repeat the question.
వన్ టైం క్రైమ్ డిస్కౌంట్. లైక్ అంటారు కదా, ఒకసారి చేస్తే ఏక్ బార్ కే లియే మాఫ్ హై అని, అలా.
Okay. I will kill Dolores Umbridge.
ట్రూ హ్యారీ పాటర్ ఫ్యానా?
Yo, bro. Harry Potter fans forever.
ఓకే. సూపర్ పవర్స్ యూ ఆల్వేస్ విష్డ్ ఫర్. ఇప్పుడు జెట్ స్పీడ్ చెప్పకబ్బా, పీకే ఫ్యాన్స్ ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ.
Okay. Superpower I always wished for is to not get fat by eating little much. Like whatever you eat, you should not get fat. I will gain that superpower.
అది ప్రతి అమ్మాయికి ఉండే కోరికే. సో నా ఇప్పుడు విద్య కంటిన్యూ చేస్తుంది, ఓకేనా?
ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నా టర్న్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ సింపుల్ దిస్ ఆర్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనమాట. లైక్ యూ గెట్ టు చూస్ వన్ ఆప్షన్. ఓకే, సో ఐఎమ్ స్టార్టింగ్. Suppose you found Surya's watch, would you go back and fix your past or explore the future?
Explore my future.
What do you like the most, sunrise or sunset?
Sunset, because I don't wake up early.
Beach or gardens?
Beach, always, forever.
Food or wine?
Wine.
Okay.
Texting or talking?
Talking.
Colors or black and white?
Black.
WhatsApp or Instagram?
Instagram.
Favorite web series or show?
Okay, it's web series or shows. To be honest, I don't watch web series.
Okay, like anything, movie or anything, Puni. I think I know the answer.
Movie, it's Harry Potter. Otherwise, Twilight.
Yeah, I guessed it.
Twilight.
Bikes or cars?
Yeah, I think I know the answer now. Just not to say Royal Enfield.
Bikes, always bikes.
Okay, so cool, done. This was an amazing talk with you, Sindhu. Being our first guest, we thank you for this.
I really feel special that you asked me for it, and I'm so happy to talk with you guys like this right now about beaches, mountains, Harry Potter and all. And I really felt so connected with The one who's talking to me regarding Royal Enfield, bro, we should definitely meet one day.
Yo, on it. Anytime.
Anytime.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ బిలీవింగ్ ఇన్ అస్. సో ఫస్ట్ హౌ వాజ్ ఇట్? బోర్ చేసామా ఏంటి? కొంచెం మీ విలువైన ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఇస్తే లైక్ ఏమైనా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయాలి అలాగా.
Nothing. It's actually quite very good for like a simple coffee and convo. Title ki context ki correct ga match అయింది.
సో సింధు, ఇది ఐడియా విన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఎలా అనిపించింది?
కాఫీ అని కాకుండా చాయ్ అని పెడితే బాగుంది అనిపించింది. సారీ, ఐఎమ్ a chai lover. I don't have coffee. But it's nice. Like this little chit chat and all. It's quite good. Nice idea. ఎవరికి వచ్చింది ఐడియా అసలు?
The great founder of this page, Mr. Yashraj.
Yes, touch. Vanachalla.
Congratulations, Mr. Yashraj. I feel so good in your coffee and convo. But when we meet, let's have chai, not coffee.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sindhu. Thank you for believing in us. Even we enjoyed a lot. You've been great. It was really fun interviewing you. Okay, now I think it's time to wrap. So, thanks again, Sindhuja. Bye-bye.
So guys, that was Sindhuja. ఎంత ఫన్ ఉంది కదా. I hope you people also enjoyed this interview too, like us. This was a kickstart asla. Interested to hear more from us? Show some love. Suggest your friends who would love it too. Bye-bye.